See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this true. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin.
So we went to Walmart today, bought a few things, and we also went to Ross because Ross has some good stuff. So I'm going to show you guys what we bought, and then as you can see, this right here, it's been like this since we moved in because we didn't have any we don't have any furniture yet, as in like dresser and nightstand, so they've just been sitting here, our everyday things. And I got tired of looking at it, and my bathroom has a certain vibe. It's all black with hints of green and all that stuff. Black, silver, and green. Green as in like the pop-off colors. And I'm like, I need to get this done. So I bought organizer. I bought organizer boxes. I got them in black. I bought 16. I think that would be more than enough, but I bought 16 and they all will go here, so I'll show you guys that. Me and Aaron will be fixing it. I also bought this laundry basket. Ain't she cute? Ross. It's funny because I was gonna order this on Amazon for $20, and I told her, I was just like, let's go to Ross because I know Ross has what I need. And one thing about me, I'm bougie on a budget, okay? That's me. I'm a baller on a budget, bougie on a budget. So my things will look expensive, and I bet you they won't be more than a few $100s at most. But I got that. I got that. And bought some more towels because we needed towels. I'm also going to be organizing the closet to the best of my ability with what I have right now. But I got more velvet hangers. And I got this cute little cutting board for the kitchen because the cutting board that I have in there is more so for decoration. And I've used it a few times, but then I'm like, nah, especially since I'll be cooking a lot of food. And then I bought some body wash, some Listerine. Ooh, and I bought this soap dispenser for the kitchen. I like that it's black and clear because black is one of the colors that's in the kitchen. And that's pretty much it. And I just bought like things that we needed. So I'm about to start organizing this closet around and I. So you guys will see all that, and you guys will see the finished product. So stay tuned.
Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, then I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Ride 100. Gotta roll OT, gotta give her release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I'll be asleep. I'ma roll on them forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in harmony.
Eclipse.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess games. Shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalists, flush the magnets just so they not collecting my specimens. Damn.
Eclipse.
All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe if you give me something, maybe if you had the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space.
got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take a nigga bitch, I use the bitch, cause I ran off with your shit. I'm a real right blood, any nigga counterfeit. You pull up on the L, push it while you get deal. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all say real street nigga, y'all ain't on no block. Hey, keep your legs closed, cause all I want is talk. I pull up and y'all gon' call the cops. I slip out a pistol, it got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100-round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up. Your bitch, she on the molly, yeah, I gotta boot it up. You said that you was trapping, but I heard that's a
Wonder why your girl always wanna